Hello everybody and welcome. In this video we are going to be talking about a really great software called Konvey. So this is based on screen recording services, and using this you can just record the screen of your computer, software, whatever you would like. And to do so you can follow the step-by-step guide. So right now, as you can see, we are on its dashboard, and from here you can see we have two options on top right side of our screen. First is record and the second one is new request. We also have various other features as well if you scroll a little bit down, but we will be talking about them in a moment. First, you can see these tabs on the left side of your screen where your recordings will be displayed. You can see you have this my recordings option. So when you click on that, you have all of your recordings that you will be created will be displayed in here, and all the recordings that you will be getting from the new request option will be displayed in the received recordings section. So when you click on received recordings tab, you can see we have two recordings which were received from our requested users. We have requested links, and here we'll be displaying all the links that you requested to your users. And finally we have users as well. So in here you can add multiple users on this account. So you can see when you click on this add account, you can type in here their Gmail, and once you do that you can click on add account and their account will be added. Now let's just talk about how you can create a recording. Click on this record option on the top right side of your screen. When you do so, you can see you are directed towards a new tab, and in here you'll be having three options. Either you can enable audio, screen and camera. By default audio is enabled. You can disable it as well, but we are going to be enabling it. And what we are also going to be doing is that we are going to be enabling screen. And finally you can see the start recording option is no more grayed out. We can click on that. It will be asking which screen you would like to record. To do so, click on this tab option, which is the third one, and from here you can select any of these windows that you would like to record. So I'm going to be recording this Konvey screen, so I'm going to be clicking on that and click on share. Once you do that, you will see that this border around your screen, which means your recording is going on. You can do whatever you would like and it will be recorded. Let's say I just head over to my settings and maybe make couple of changes in here. Now let's head back to our dashboard. All of these steps will be recorded nicely. You also have this option to stop share on top of your screen. We are going back on our screen and we are going to be clicking here stop recording, and our recording will be processing. Here you'll be having a little preview of your recording. You can see if your recording did well, and if it is good you can click on proceed to final step. Here you can give a title to your recording, and also you can add a note so you don't forget what this video was actually for. Once you do that, you can click on upload. After a couple of seconds your video will be uploaded and good to go. You can click on this back to home option, which will direct you towards your dashboard again, and here you will be able to see that under the title you have your my first recording. Click on that and here you can see our recording is being played. You can just preview this recording and see how it went. You can also access your recording from my recording section. In here you have your my first recording as well. Similarly, if you want to record your camera as well, you can go to record, and you can see when we enable the camera option, we are now rolling with our camera as well. You can see in the bottom somewhere our camera is being displayed. You can do whatever you would like on your PC or your screen or software, maybe change a few settings or explain the problem that you're having with your website or software to your client, and share more dynamically how you can deal with the problem. And once you do all the steps, you can head back to your tab and click on stop recording, and that way you will be having your recording with your camera incorporated as well. Click on proceed to final step, title your recording, and once you do that click on upload, and after a couple of seconds it will be uploaded. And once it is, click on back to home, from where you can access your recording similarly as we did previously. You can see we have this recording with camera, and in here you can see we have our camera incorporated as well. So that's a pretty simple process to do your recording with your camera. Now if you head over to record, and from there if you disable your audio and enable only your camera, you will have this option to record your camera only. So if you click on start recording, you will be able to see that now your camera will be recording only instead of your screen or anything else. You can click on proceed to final step and title your video and add a note. Once you do that, you can click on upload and your video will be added in the videos section. Now if you want to request your video to a client or maybe your friend, you can do that in few simple steps as well. Click on this new request option, which is just beside your record option. Once you do that, and here you can select a link label. After choosing your link label, you can create a request. You can see here is the screen recording link. You can simply copy it and send it to your client or whoever you would like to do.